Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. So after yesterday's video about Poshmark's new shipping discount feature, if you didn't watch this video, I will link it down below for you. Definitely go back and watch it just so you're kind of understanding what I'm talking about in this video. So after this video, go back and watch that one for all the details about the new feature. But after that video yesterday, I got a ton of questions asking about how to use this feature. So this is a very new feature. They have been beta testing it for a while with some users, and they officially rolled it out yesterday. If it has not gotten to your Poshmark closet yet, definitely give it a few days. Whenever they roll out new features, they kind of have to do it in sections, so not everyone gets it at once. It will gradually get to everybody over the next few days. So definitely update your app if you have not updated the software on, like, if you have an iPhone, you probably need to do that as well, just for to accommodate the app updates. Sometimes the app will not update if you haven't updated the software on your phone. So I want to go through some key questions that I kept seeing, some unique questions that I tested out last night, just kind of playing around with it, and I wanted to just kind of explain what I found out from just trying to figure out this new feature. A lot of you emailed me asking for my free training video. I'm still trying to work through all of those emails. If you would like my free training video, definitely send me an email to poshbosshq@gmail.com. My email is down in the description box and in the comments. Also, my ring light and things like that are also linked in the description box and in the comments. Just things I get asked about quite frequently. Before I get into the video, definitely let me know in the comments if you plan on using this feature, if you're not using this feature, if you have the feature on your phone yet or in your web browser, however you use Poshmark. Let me know if you have it or don't have it. Let me know your thoughts on it, feedback. I love hearing from you guys in the comments. I might just use your comments in a video, but thank you so much for all of the feedback that you left yesterday. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Okay, so let's get into this video, just addressing some questions that you guys had from yesterday. So first question that I want to look at. So one of the first questions that I got, that I went and I tested out using the feature, was, what if I only choose to put free shipping on some items but others that I don't, and someone bundles? How is that going to work when the shipping is different for several items bundled? Okay, so I went and I tested this out. If you have put free shipping on one item and then you don't have it on another item that somebody puts in their bundle, if they bundle the two items together or multiple items together, if there's an item in the bundle that has free shipping on it, it automatically defaults to free shipping. And here is why. So if you're offering free shipping on an item, then them buying a bundle and bundling other items with that item is no different than if they were to just buy that item outright with the free shipping. So if you sell a bundle and one of the items has free shipping, they're going to get free shipping on the bundle. The shipping is going to come out of your earnings. It's no different than if they were to have just bought the one item and that shipping amount came out of your earnings. It's not going to take shipping out of your earnings for each individual item that they are bundling. So essentially that is helping you to sell more items. So that's not something that you should be worried about or something that should upset you. The shipping is only coming out once. So, you know, it's actually helping you to sell more items and make more money. So, you know, that could be kind of a tactic that you could use, is to put free shipping on some items, and then on items that you don't have free shipping on, you could put a little disclaimer in your listing that says bundle for free shipping or something like that. People really want these shipping discounts, guys. You have to remember that Poshmark shipping is almost $8, which in today's world is just astronomically high. So people are so used to going on websites and getting free shipping. A lot of websites offer free shipping, or they offer free shipping if you order a certain amount, or you have like Walmart Plus now and Amazon Prime where they pay and they get free shipping. People expect free shipping. Paying $8 for shipping is a lot. I mean, I order stuff from boutiques sometimes and they don't have free shipping, but at most the shipping is like $4. It's not $8 like it is on Poshmark. So people are more likely to buy from you if you are more willing to give them these shipping discounts. And I know that it is unfortunate that it comes out of your earnings, but it's better to have the option to give the shipping discounts than to not have the option to give the shipping discounts, and then that is really going to hinder you from making sales. So another comment that I got on the video was from Rhonda, and she says, my concern is that eventually customers will start to expect free shipping on every item. There are going to be items that unless you significantly increase the price, offering free shipping just isn't going to be feasible. I really wish they would add it as a bundle feature, like an option to offer free shipping on bundles of 3 or more items or something like that, where it automatically does it at checkout. Okay, so while you don't have the option to automatically do that at checkout, you can kind of do what I was just talking about, where you can put a disclaimer in your listing that says bundle for free shipping, and then once they bundle, you can send them an offer with free shipping. Or if you have an item that already has free shipping on it, it will automatically do it at checkout. So, you know, while Poshmark doesn't have that as an upfront feature, there is a way around it where you can do that. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but people are already expecting shipping discounts. Like what I just talked about, Amazon Prime, Walmart Plus, a lot of places offer free shipping, or at least discounted shipping. People expect shipping discounts. If you are not offering shipping discounts to your customers, you are probably losing a lot of sales. Remember, I've been selling on Poshmark for 7 years. When I first started selling, we had no way of offering any sort of shipping discount to customers, and it was super frustrating because we just had no way of doing it. The only way that we could give people shipping discounts was during closet clear out, which was when the shipping discount was offered by Poshmark. So whenever they released the feature where you could offer shipping discounts to offer to liker, my sales skyrocketed. Like, people want shipping discounts. They do not want to pay $8 for shipping. And I do hope in the future that Poshmark will find a way to have more shipping options other than this $8 shipping, because they cannot keep increasing the shipping. Like, obviously the shipping is going to continue to go up because USPS increases their prices every year, and if the shipping goes above $8, like, there has to be a point where they step back and say, okay, we can't expect our sellers to keep absorbing these shipping price increases. So, you know, I really hope that they can find some sort of option to offer shipping on lightweight items, on individual items. I feel like they are losing a lot of sales because of the shipping costs, and I feel like if they want to compete with companies like eBay and Amazon, that they're gonna have to add more shipping options. I mean, even Mercari has shipping options. So I am hoping they are working on that. Another question I got recently that I wanted to address just really quickly was if I thought that we would ever be able to ship internationally. Poshmark does have Poshmark Canada, and then they recently launched in Poshmark Australia. I do think one day we will be able to ship internationally. I think it is a more difficult contract for them to negotiate or to figure out how to do that, but if they, I feel like that's another step toward them offering more shipping options, because they are going to, they've said before that they want to do international shipping. So the shipping in Canada, I know, is almost double what it is here in the United States. So they would have to figure out a way to do that. I don't think there's a way, unless they have some sort of negotiation with Canada to where they could negotiate a flat rate shipping for international. So I don't know how that works. I'm not really familiar with Canada's postal rates or anything like that. So I do hope that they will figure it out. I think it will be really nice to be able to sell to people in Canada and even Australia and wherever they decide to expand to next. I do think it will happen eventually. I'm not sure how quickly that will happen as something that they can do. Okay, another question I got in my POSHBOSS HQ group from Jessica. She said, if you offer free shipping, if you send offers to likers, what happens to the free shipping offered in the listing? So I went and I tested this. If you have free shipping on an item and you go into your offers to likers and you try to send an offer on an item that you have free shipping on, so it will show you your free shipping discount, and then you put in an offer. If you tap on the part where it says shipping discount, it'll take you to a different screen. You can see where the other shipping discounts are grayed out, and if you try to change it, this little disclaimer pops up that says offer shipping discount must be the same or greater than the listing shipping discount. So it will stay at free shipping. If you have an item set to free shipping and you go to send an offer on it and offers to likers, you have to keep it at free shipping. Now, let's say that you want to change the shipping discount and you change it to $1.50 off, and then you go to send your offers to likers. So if you put in your offer and you go to this screen, then you can offer more of a shipping discount, but you can never offer less of a shipping discount. So, you know, that's something to keep in mind if you are sending offers to likers. Definitely something to keep in mind when you are pricing items in terms of how much of a shipping discount you are going to offer. Again, it is a brand new feature, so I'm sure there are going to be glitches and technical issues that come up with it that they will have to fix. But I think it's a great addition to the Poshmark app in terms of offering discounts to your customers. Again, like I said yesterday, I'm going to be experimenting with it to see if I get more sales offering a shipping discount up front or offering a shipping discount through offers to likers. It's very possible that I will just continue to do what I do and offer the shipping discounts via offer to likers, depending on how complicated this gets. If you have a lot of inventory, putting shipping discounts on stuff and not shipping discounts on other stuff could probably get very complicated and confusing. So definitely something to take day by day. I'm sure other issues will come up. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.